Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the cleaning process of your Thermomix TM31, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a small brush for detailed cleaning. These tools will help you access and maintain the internal parts of your appliance effectively. First, unplug your Thermomix to ensure safety during the cleaning process. Remove the mixing bowl and the lid. This will give you a clear view of the plate and motor areas that require attention. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the base of the Thermomix. There are typically 4 screws to remove. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later for reassembly. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. Pay close attention to the motor area and the surrounding surfaces. Here, you might notice some food residue or dust accumulation. It's crucial to clean these areas thoroughly, as they can affect the performance of your Thermomix. Using your soft cloth, wipe down the accessible parts of the motor and the plate. For stubborn residues, dampen the cloth slightly with warm water, but avoid using harsh chemicals that could damage the appliance. For detailed cleaning, use the small brush to remove any debris that may have settled in hard-to-reach places. This is essential for maintaining the efficiency of your machine. If you find any components that seem damaged or overly worn, consider reaching out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess the condition of your appliance and offer recommendations. As you clean, be mindful of the screws and any small parts. Losing these can complicate reassembly. If you're unsure about putting everything back together, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service eliminates the hassle of travel and ensures your Thermomix is in expert hands. Once you've completed the cleaning, carefully reattach the base of the Thermomix, securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the components. After reassembly, plug your Thermomix back in and perform a quick test run without any ingredients to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you notice any unusual sounds or performance issues, please remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you are informed about any potential costs before proceeding. Regular maintenance of your Thermomix TM31 not only prolongs its life but also enhances its performance in your kitchen. By following these steps, you can ensure that your appliance remains in top condition for years to come. If you need assistance at any point, don't hesitate to reach out for our professional services. With no calls or travel required, help is just a request away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.